Welcome back, guys. I've got a review on M2, their latest trucks out, including the Datsun trucks, a full 6-vehicle set with an array of different setups of that truck. Very cool. This is from the Autothentics series. Everything's coming out for a full, loose review. But here's how they come from the factory. Factory shipper box with the display and all of the pieces inside of it. But we're just going to check out the box first. I think it looks like the packaging is going to be the same for each one. And there's the truck. Very neat piece. Awesome graphics. Can't wait to see this thing up close on the zoom lens. But this one appears to be a little wrecking truck. Tow truck. And the next one coming out is the Lil Hustler. They're all Lil Hustler. That's the series. Very neat. Only limited to 2,880 pieces of each worldwide. So that's not very many. This is a brand new casting from Datsun. Very exciting to see what M2 is bringing out this year into 2020. More and more castings were planned. So this is just absolutely wonderful for collectors. And especially for unique castings such as this. There's going to be year variations and all the other little fine details that M2 is very good at putting into their models. And here again, nice simple orange version with some very kind of period correct looking graphics on it. Next out, we've got a racing piece. There we go. Really cool. Yokohama, number 62. One last piece. I can tell this wasn't a sealed set, guys. It only had one piece of tissue paper in there, so normally each and every one of these vehicles would be protected. But anyways, that's all right. They're such awesome looking models that no complaints here. And if I did find a chase, I'd likely have to go buy the regular paint job anyway. So at least this way I don't buy chases on the aftermarket, so I don't have to worry about that. Just make a little bit of room here, and let's take a look at these other. This one's sealed in plastic, which is kind of an unusual thing for M2. Quite often they provide a clamshell, but it seems lately they're going for this sealed version. And here's the difference I'm talking about. This one's got a clamshell piece, quite easy to open up. You got a piece of card art that you can hold on to. And then basically a free Protecto pack included with every purchase of the truck, in addition to the display case that it comes in. And there we go. The truck itself. Let's start with the 73 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10. Going for maximum zoom. Diesel engine in there. Looks like a short exhaust pipe coming straight out of the engine bay. Those huge slicks. Maybe that's not an exhaust. Maybe that's a turbocharger. We've got a couple of tailpipes coming out the back, actually. Correct me if I am wrong, which I most certainly am. And on to the next vehicle. Check out the engine in this one. 75 Chevy Silverado. Lots of nice race livery on the sides. Big gold wheels with Goodyear wrap tires around them. And the rollback. This is a really cool piece. All metal. Beautiful work on this truck. Very heavy. It doesn't actually function as a rollback, but it certainly makes a great display for this 75 Silverado with yet another engine, or variation of another engine under the hood of this truck. And more great racing graphics all the way around. I'll put the camera down in just a moment. We'll look at some of these vehicles a little closer up. But first, just an overview. The 59 VW W cab. And looks like a custom trailer. Part of a Volkswagen van as well. We've got the Coke truck. 79 Chevy Silverado Scottdale with the Coca-Cola tampos on it. And let's take a look at some of these awesome Datsun Lil Hustlers, as M2 is calling them. Focus in on my favorite one first, which is this 1979 Datsun stake bed truck. Really like that. I think that would make a great little custom. These all have highly detailed motors under the hoods. The only one that isn't a Lil Hustler 6-vehicle set truck is this Mijo exclusive, which is just a black version of the 78 Datsun that you can get here with the 77 Datsun. Almost the same paint job, just black replacing orange. Chrome roll bar, but for the completist like I am, kind of had to have them all, especially for this brand new unveiling of the casting from M2, 1973 Datsun truck there. I like that one a lot as well. And here we have a racing version of a 74. Yet a different engine in there. It's quite realistic. Note the little mirrors on the front of the fenders. And a whole bunch of accessories on this 78 Datsun Tow Truck. And this is the 75th set from the Autothentics series, which is pretty cool. 1976 Datsun truck. Looks like a custom paint job anyways on this one. Some custom wheels. And I believe that is all the trucks that we have here to look at. And let's just take a look at a few more of those details on some of these trucks. This 1967 Chevrolet C60 ramp truck and the 79 Chevy Silverado are among my favorites from this wave of vehicles that I have before you. And let's just take a look at the ramp truck first. Very heavy build, metal frame, metal rollback portion. The only plastic I believe is the drive shaft, so quite a heavy truck. No opening parts, but a very cool, realistic looking piece. And obviously a great matching piece for the 79 Silverado here. It's painted hood. Great quality on these M2 trucks. They all seem to have fairly straight wheels. This one's got a bit of a bent tire, but they all still roll, which was nice. At this level of detail, sacrifices must be made in certain areas. Perhaps, I don't know. And just looking at these trucks once again from all angles. Really cool. Mijo exclusive. Limited run. I will end up taking all these off their bases and they will be put into a display case in the rest of the diecast museum, but for now they're going to be put onto the 50 car display stand, I guess, on the Hot Wheels review table here. And then at a later date, I'll probably take you guys with me as we go into the diecast museum and put these trucks into their new home. Still got Auto World and Johnny Lightning to look at next, and hopefully into a vintage Hot Wheels Blue Card video. All right, let's take a look at those Datsun trucks. And like I said, the stake bed truck, one of my favorites. Really good opening, closing hood. Haven't had any problems with any of these castings that I have before you. Just a tiny little truck when you compare it to the full-size American truck. Well, full-size two-door of the same time period. Very neat. I didn't see what was under the hood of this one. Let's check that out. Sometimes easier said than done. There you go. It's got the racing engine that we saw under the racing version of this truck. Very cool. And then the stock engine right here. Little white air cleaner on the top. Very cool little truck. Like how the taillights are embedded in the bumper, the rear chrome bumper. Here's a little wrecking truck. Not sure it could pull too much more than maybe a few parts off the track, or perhaps another little small Indy car of some kind. Certainly nothing that's going to be towing anything big. And a really cool paint job once again on this truck. All metal parts. And finally, look at that exclusive piece. Just black paint job variation is pretty much the only difference. Well, there's a few differences actually. Put them side by side. You can check for yourself. Push bar. No mirrors on this orange one for some reason. And no roll bar. And let's not forget this Volkswagen double cab with its trailer. Really kind of a cool piece, a custom piece so far as I know. I'm not sure about this part, whether that was an option or whether someone had those custom built. If you know anything about these, let me know in the comments. Functional trailer hitch, of course. Rolls not half bad. That one's a bit of a slower roller, but these little Datsun Hustler trucks, no problems with the rolling on these. So M2's really got the casting figured out for how these trucks perform. All the hoods open and close nicely. All the wheels roll nice and straight. So a great little assortment of trucks. I can't wait to put on my wall display. But for now, each of these trucks will be put into the Trucks of the Month. Current vehicles that have been reviewed on my channel. So if you see anything in the back that you're interested in, haven't seen, check out my other videos. And of course, as always, happy hunting, happy collecting. We'll see you in the next video.